Welcome back. My name's Darren Wilmot and I'm the MD of Easy R&D. When I talk to business leaders, it's still very clear to me that there are a number of myths surrounding R&D tax relief. For example, people tell me they think that the scheme is only open to large businesses. I also hear R&D tax relief is only for the science fraternity and that the projects need to be carried out in a laboratory by men and women in white coats. So in this short video, we're going to look at 5 of the biggest R&D myths. So let's look at myth number 1. People believe that R&D tax relief is only available for large companies. That's simply not true. The R&D tax relief scheme is open to companies that are looking to advance the fields of science and technology. And that can apply to companies both large and small. In fact, it may interest you to know that SMEs make up the largest proportion of claimants. So let's think about myth number 2, that R&D tax relief is only available for successful projects. Luckily, that's also a misconception. The key to R&D tax relief is that it's aimed at projects that are looking to advance science and technology, regardless of whether they're successful or not. Myth number 3, R&D tax credits are focused on a small number of sectors. Well, luckily for everybody else, R&D tax relief is largely agnostic. It's not focused on specific sectors. Any company that undertakes projects to advance science or technology can be eligible to make a claim, regardless of the sector. So let's move on to myth number 4. You must be making a new product or process to be eligible. This is not the case either. You can claim R&D tax relief for improving a product or process, not just creating something entirely new. Now let's look at myth number 5. You have to include details for every project in your claim. This is not the case at all. The level of detail required depends on the number of projects in your claim. For claims involving 1 to 3 projects, details of all projects must be included. But for claims involving more projects, details of a subset of your projects, accounting for the majority of your qualifying expenditure, would be sufficient. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helps clarify some of the myths that still exist around R&D tax relief, and indeed, I hope gives you the confidence to seek more advice. If you have any questions or wish to leave a comment, please do so below and I'll respond very quickly. Stay tuned because we'll be covering more myths about R&D tax relief next time.